Hello, today we are going to see what are the different types of versions in Power BI. So basically Power BI is a visualization tool which is used by industry, and here in Power BI we have two different types of version, that is a for gateway. First is the person, second one is the standard. So let us see what is the personal and what is the standard gateway. So in personal gateway we can export the data directly from the system which is stored locally. So here we can use Excel files or spreadsheet and so on, whereas in enterprise gateway or on-premises gateway you can connect the data source with the help of the server. So let us see the basic difference. You can see the target person or the usage here is the business analyst who want to run the setup or who want to use the gateway on his own system to build the reports, whereas in on-premises a BI admin developer will work on the on-premises mode or enterprise version where he have admin rights to access the database from the servers. Here the connection type is import data directly from the system or a schedule refresh, whereas in on-premises you can also use the live connection or the direct query method. Here the management is a central management in case of on-premises mode because it is loaded onto the server, whereas in personal mode directly the data source you can load it. No monitoring is required for personal mode, whereas in case of on-premises we need a central monitoring. And the Power BI personal mode only support the Power BI services, whereas the on-premises mode support Azure services also, Microsoft Flow also, and Power Apps also. So basically, this is the architecture of how it looks like. On premises, we have to connect the data with the help of the gateway and the service bus, whereas in case of the cloud, directly we are connecting with the data with the Power BI scheduler. So this is the basic difference between the two types of gateway available in Power BI. I hope everyone is clear.